It is so nice here in the snow. I wonder where Shimmer is.
Sorry I'm late, Rosie. How's the weather? To me it's cold.
Hi, Shimmer. The weather is fine since I'm a polar bear.
Lucky you.
Can I warm you up?
No thanks.
Okay, I guess.
Come to my sleepover tonight. It will be a blast. Over here a bit. Welcome, Rosie, to the sleepover.
Thanks.
Come on, Raspberry and Rosie, it's time to paint our paws.
Yay!